In this Java tutorial, we will talk about throw keyword. In Java, throw keyword is used to explicitly throw an exception from a method or any code block. Let's learn how to use throw keyword by doing an example. I created an object from connect to database class. There's a field in the class. There is also a method in the class. I will send the username parameter to the method. If the parameter sent is equal to turtle code, it will connect to database. Otherwise, it will not connect. I assign turtle code to the username field of the object. I called the method with parameter. It connected to database. If the field wasn't assigned to turtle code, we wouldn't be able to connect to database. We printed not connected to the console using println method. Instead of using println method, I will use throw keyword. I am creating an exception using throw keyword. I have to create a signature to create the exception. Signature is added to the method. I have to add the signature to main method as well. Signature is added to method. The exception we defined is printed to the console. We can use try and catch blocks instead of signature. I will call the method in the try block. I define the exception in the catch block. I will print the exception to the console. You can define exceptions for certain situations using this method. I recommend you to watch other Java tutorials.